Hi, I'm Lorjan Gonzalez Galvez, your Miss Face of Tourism Quezon City.
Hi mga galgalans out there, kasama natin of course ang Miss Face of Tourism Quezon City, Miss Lorjan Gonzalez Galvez. Hi po!
Hello ma'am. Hello, good evening.
Napakaganda.
Oh, thank you so much.
Diba?
Kasi ang ganda mo ma'am.
This ko same. Sabi
Yeah.
nga nila. Okay, the first question is, why did you choose Mrs. Face of Tourism? Di ba napakadami namang pageants that we have there? So why did you choose that pageant?
I choose Miss Face of Tourism because it's aligned with my passion. Promote cultural awareness and showcasing the beauty of our destinations.
Okay, so
Yeah.
that it also concludes my next question kasi. My next question supposed to be, what is the real meaning of Mrs. Face of Tourism? Ikaw po ay mahilig mag-travel.
Yeah.
So, for you, ano ang pinakamagandang travel spot or tourist spot that you have already went to?
Sa Boracay.
Wow.
Yeah.
Why Boracay? O, ayun na ang next natin dyan. Follow up. Why Boracay?
Kasi doon, pwede kang mag-BS ng mga nude na hindi ka inaano ng mga tao, hindi binabash, kung hindi ka sexy doon.
Ikaw naman sexy ka, so okay na okay ka, di ba?
Sexy daw.
Sexy, di ba? Sexy ka naman, di ba? So, what for you ang importante? Aside from body, the face, di ba? And also, you being smart, ano po sa palagay nyo ang pinaka-importanting bagay sa tatlo na ito?
I think it's the face. Kasi ang
Unang nakikita sa ating pangangatawan ay ang muka, di ba?
Yes.
Muka
Oo.
reveals and is the reflection of our soul, isn't it?
yes.
Okay.
Thanks.
We also knew that you are also a professional doctor. You are also a great mother sa napakagwapo mong anak.
Yes.
Pakilala mo ko dyan later.
Yes.
Ay, talaga? Okay. And that's also, now you are a beauty queen. So, meron dyan mga maliliit na Miss Lorjan Gonzalez Galvez. What is your message to them?
Message ko sa kanila, ipagpatuloy lang nila ang kanilang passion. Kahit sa ganitong edad ko ay pwede pa rin.
Dahil ikaw naman ay maganda, matalino, at syempre, napakaganda ng kutis at pangangatawan, di
Thank
ba?
you. Thank you so much.
Okay, can you just please invite everyone to please support and watch you to the upcoming Mrs. Faces of Tourism?
Hello everyone. Please support me on my journey this coming September 28, 2024 at Lucky China Hotel.
Okay. Lucky China Hotel. So, kaming lahat ay pupunta upang panoorin ang araw ng iyong pagkokorona.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Manifesting for Mrs. Gonzalez Galvez. Okay. Any last words? Any last words that you'd like to tell to all your followers and fans and supporters out there?
Please support me on my journey. Hindi ko kaya to nang wala kayo. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Okay, marami pong salamat, ma'am. And again, manifesting for you to get the crown of Mrs. Face of Tourism. Maraming salamat.